Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor of Department of Shastra and Vaishishya Kalpana. So today we will deal regarding the topic of the Netra Upacharartha Kalpana. So coming to the introduction, Netra Upacharartha Kalpana is also called as Netra Chikitsa Kalpana or Netra Kriya Kalpana. So Kriya means the therapeutic action and Kalpana means the specific formulations. So there are two approaches in the treatment of the eye diseases. They are systemic drugs and the topical method of the treatment. So in comparison with the systemic drugs, the topical or the local treatment plays an important role in curing the eye disease. The topical measures followed in eye disease are called as the Kriya Kalpa. So, Kriya Kalpa is a Bahir-Parimarjana Chikitsa and has got several advantages over the oral administration. So, the drugs given orally will undergo digestion under the influence of the Pachaka Pitta, and the drug administered through the Kriya Kalpa are not digested by it and possibly rectify accumulated doshas. So, the oral drugs find it difficult to cross the blood aqueous, blood vectors, and blood retinal barriers to reach the target tissues of the eyes. The topical drugs can reach they and achieve higher bioavailability. So the tissues contact time of the drug can be controlled in Kriya Kalpa and they are selected depending upon the stage and severity of the disease. The medications can be judiciously selected, that is to increase the Ushna or Shita, Snigdha or Ruksha in the local area. The higher concentration of the drugs can be achieved by applying the medicines to the eye. So coming to the types, according to Acharya Shushruta, Tarpanam, Putapakascha, Sekha, Aschotana, Anjani. This is from the Shushruta, reference from the Shushruta Uttaratantra. So according to Sharangadara, Seka, Aschothanam, Pindi, Vidalas, Tarpanam, Tata, Putapaku, Anjanam, Chebi, Kalpe, Netram, Upacharit. According to Acharya Charaka, it is of three types, that is Vidalaka, Aschotana, Anjana. And Shushrutacharya, there is five types, Tarpana, Putapaka, Seka, Aschotana, and Anjana. According to Sharangadara and Vagbhatacharya, Seka, Aschotana, Pindi, Vidalaka, Tarpana, Putapaka, and Anjana. So coming to the Seka, it is indicated in acute conditions of the eye disease. So medicine is poured on the closed eyes, on the closed eyelids continuously and steadily from 4-inch height, and for a specific time according to the doshas. So in acute conditions, it can be done at any time. After the treatment, eye should be washed or cleansed with the lukewarm water and achieve not to use the bright things and not to take kapha vriddhikara ahara and vihara. So types like Snehana, Ropana and Lekhana, and Snehana is indicated in Vataja disorders and duration is the 400 Matra Kala, and Ropana is indicated in Pitta and Raktaja disorders and duration is the 600 Matra Kala, and Lekhana in case of Kaphaja disorders and it is 300 to 200 Matra Kala. Samik Seka Lakshana, that is Roga Nivritti, that is relief from the disease, and Swabhavika Varna, that getting of the natural color, and Karya Padutvam, that is perfectness in the functions of the parts. And next last one is the Vedana Shanti, that is the relief from the pain. The Sekha Yoga, like Sekha with the medicated milk prepared with the air and the twak, Patra, Mula, and Ajadugda is used in case of the Vataja Abhishanda, and Sekha with the medicated milk prepared with the Triphala, Lodra, Eshtimadu, Manjishta, Sariba, Kamala, and grinded with water and can be used in case of the Pittaja and Raktaja Abhishanda. Next is the Aschotana. Aschotana means installation of few drops of medicines to the open eye from the height of 2 angula is called as the Aschotana. So this will relieve Rupthoda, that is painful condition, and in case of Khandu, that is itching, Karsha, that is irritation or foreign body sensation, and in case of Ashru, that is excessive watering, Daha, that is burning, Raga reddishness, and Paka Shufa, that is features of the inflammation. So in these condition, so it, in so these this it will relieve. And Ashodhana is contraindicated in night and should be done only during the daytime. So morning in case of the Kaphaja diseases, afternoon in Pittaja diseases, and evening in the Vataja diseases. So three types, they are Lekhana, Ropana and Snehana. The Lekhana method, in case of Kaphaja and 7 to 8 drops is used, and Ropana variety in case of Pittaja and Vataja and dosage is 12 drops, and Snehana in case of the Vataja and it is 10 drops. Ashtotana Yoga. Ashtotana with Tripala Kashaya is used in all types of the Abhishanda, and Ashtotana with Kshiri Sarpi or Kshiri Navanita can be used in Vataja, Pittaja and Raktaja Abhishanda. It is prepared with the decoction of Bilwadi Panchamula, Ihandamula, Shigru Brihati is used in case of Vataja Abhishanda. And Ashtotana with Amalaki Phalasvarasa can be used in case of the Pittaja Abhishanda. So next, Pindi or Kavalika or Pindika. So Pindi is the modification of Vidalaka. Instead of directly applying the piece to the eyelids, they are packed in a thicker cotton cloth and are kept tightly over the eyelids. So in Vataja diseases, Snigdha hot medicines has to be used. In Pittaja diseases, Shita medicines has to be used. In case of Kaphaja diseases, rough and Ushna medicines has to be used. So Pindi Yoga, Pindi with Triphala in all types of Abhishanda, and Pindi with the help of Amalaki or Mahanimapatra in case of the Pittaja Abhishanda. So if it is prepared with the Lodra, which is fried in Krita, grinded with Kanji, is used in Pittaja and Raktaja Abhishanda. If it is prepared with the Erandapatra, Moola in case of the Vataja Abhishanda. Next, Vidalaka. Vidalaka is the application of the medicated paste to the outer surface of the eyelids. The types of Vidalaka according to the thickness of the medicated paste. So if the lepa is 1 inch thickness, so it is Uttama, and it is 1 by 3 thickness, so it is Madhyama, and 1 by 4 thickness, it is Hina. So indication in case of Daha, that is burning sensation, in Upadeha, that is discharges, Ashru, excessive tears, Shova, swelling, Raga, redness, Todha, different Todha, Bheda, Rukha, etc. These are the different types of pain. In case of Kandus, that is scratching, and in case of Pashan is foreign body sensation. So after the application of the medicines, the following measures are contraindicated. They are like excessive speaking, juice, anger, grief, weeping, etc. Wandering under the sun, day sleep, and otherwise, so they may produce the itching or dryness of the skin, penis, and disturb the patient. So Vidalaka yogas. So like Estimadu, Kaihika, Saindavalavana, Daruharidra, Rasanjana along with the water. So in all types of the Abhishanda. ನೀಲಿಕಮಲ ಮುಕ್ತ ದಾರುಹರಿದ್ರ ಕಲಿಯಕ ಎಷ್ಟಿಮದು ಲೋದ್ರ ಪದ್ಮಕ ಶತದೌತಪೃತ in the case of the Raktaja Abhishanda. Rasanjana, so application please, this Rasanjana in case of the Kaphaja Abhishanda. Sukumari along with Chitrakapatra in case of the Kaphaja Abhishanda. Dadima Patra in case of the Pittaja Abhishanda. So this is regarding the Netrapacharartha Kalpana. So if any queries, please to comment down so that I can resolve it. Thank you.